Hey guys, hold on. Start video. There you go. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Hey, so you can see I'm still not in front of my computer. They had to do an ultrasound anyway. Let me let people in and tell them what's up.
It doesn't sound like you should be talking, Deanna.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
taught my Illustrator class this morning, and half of the time I was coughing into everyone's. It was horrible. Me. So I'm not feeling bad. The thing is, I was sick all week, but today I'm not feeling sick. But my voice is not up to it.
Yeah.
I'm walking to
Sounds
my car here.
painful. It sounds painful to cough.
I know. It's one of those. Yeah, it goes deep. So anyway, I'm trying to decide. I'm done, so I can go back home and open the class in 20 minutes that it'll take me to get home. But yeah, who's here, guys? Let me see, participants. Okay, quite a few of you guys. Okay. God, I hate to keep hitting, but I'm what time is it?
I'll vote for you to cancel class because I don't want you
It's
to
2:20.
keep coughing. I feel bad.
Yeah, me
It's
too.
just that if I don't feel
too.
sick, that's the problem. I
too.
feel like I'm fine today. Finally, I don't feel sick, but
Yeah.
my throat is
I think you need time to recover.
we have only one day left. That's the part. I'm like,
No worries, we'll re-enroll.
Uh, I can, okay, so I didn't have lozenges in me when I was with the doctor, and I just took some lozenges, so that should help. You guys, I'm torn. I'm fine. I feel so good. I want to do this. Who's here? Let me see. I don't know on the phone how I bring. How do I don't know how to handle the phone thing. Where's my participants? I don't know
There's
how to.
7 of us.
Okay. Can you still hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, for a second there, I couldn't, I was muted. I don't know how to bring up the participants on my phone. I hate this. Okay, guys, I'll go, I'll go home and I'll email you when I get there. You guys do your life. In 20 minutes, I'll be home. I'll let you know how I'm feeling. And if it's a no, it's a no. And if it's better, half a class is better than no class, right? So hang on. What time is it? 2:20. I'm just worried about the people who haven't showed up yet. But most of you guys are here. So how about we do this? 2:40. 2:45. 2:45, I'll email you again. And it's either join me or we're done for the day, okay?
Okay.
So you when I get home.
All
All
right.
right.
Okay.
And
Take care
hopefully
of
everyone
yourself.
is, I can't even email the people who are not here. So hopefully they'll get it. Okay. See you guys so I can drive home. Bye.
Bye.